These trees had to have been in the movie of Jurassic Park. Huge leaves on them. More dogs. How you doing?
We're going to eat lunch right here.
All right.
But we can walk across this water and see if they want it before we bring them over here to get tied up.
Okay. We're going to stop here for lunch.
Well, now that is
Yes.
You even got a flavor sauce?
Cool off time. You want to go?
I know where I want to go get the water. I like the sandy part a little better.
You're not thirsty? Not thirsty?
She's a swimmer, actually.
Which one? No, that's fun. That's fun.
What?
That's fun. Getting on a horse in the water.
What's on it?
It's not thirsty.
I'll look at it. Oh, they've been feeding them. Really? What do you think, camels? Oh, I can drink a little bit. And he is not as much of a water horse, I guess, as used to. There you go. I guess the water's low. I don't know how deep that really is right now, but drink up. It's gonna be a while. They get along pretty well, don't they? They just put it in there and nip in there.
Not too much.
Not any more than the typical horse, I guess.
All right. Not thirsty.
She's all worked up.
Want some grass, I think. More. What do you want? You don't want to be in that water, right? Okay, we're going to cut the camera off.